So if you have followed me for a while, you will know that 10 web hosting has been one of my favorite tools that I've used to clone websites, to design websites. Their AI builder has been fantastic. I've done tutorials in time past about this, even how you can use it to design an e-commerce website. This AI will design not just the website for you, will also design you the product on your e-commerce store. This AI will also help you design your product images, description, and a lot of things. And I think their AI tool is fantastic. What is most fantastic right now is that 10web had just launched their AI Builder 2.0, and I'm excited about the updates there, and I want to check them out, and I thought I can share that experience with you. So right on my screen here is 10web.io. So if you check the video description, you should see a link to 10web hosting. If you click that link, it should bring you to this website here. And as a matter of fact, if you use my link, it will qualify you for you to test this tool out for 7 days, just in case you want to give this tool a try. You want to see if this would work for you. And that's super amazing. You also see a coupon code in the video description that will give you another 10% off anytime you want to invest in this tool, and that's quite a fantastic deal if you ask me. It's an affiliate link. I will get a commission too if you buy through my link, so I think it's a win-win for both of us here. Don't you think so? So I don't think I want to waste time here at all. Let's just come to the AI here, and let's come to the AI website builder. Let's check this out for ourselves. So you can see here, website builder launching a website has never been so easy. Here, I think that's good. It's been featured on Forbes and other platforms there. That's fantastic. Everything you need to create and publish your website. So you can see the process here. Fantastic stuff here. So now you can fine-tune your website with Copilot. I think that's another fantastic addition. I did a tutorial not long ago, some few days ago, about the update on using this AI builder to clone a website. Fantastic update there. You want to check that tutorial just in case you are interested in cloning website, and I think you will love that tutorial. So if you come down here, you can search a brand name, and their plans now come with free custom domain name, which is fantastic. You can get that for 1 year. I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. 1.5 million website generated on 10web, but I think that's fantastic. Intuitive drag and drop editor plus Copilot. That's Elementor page builder with Copilot is fantastic for your business. Launch e-commerce, like I told you earlier. That's also fantastic. You can recreate any website. I have done a tutorial around that. I just mentioned that right now. You create, clone any website using their AI tool is fantastic. So let's come down. What else do they have? Okay, create an ideal solution tailored for your needs. Okay, that's fantastic. Optimize for every device. Okay, that's responsive. That's fantastic. Secure your brand name. Okay, save money. Okay, professional website made easy. Okay, their Google Cloud Server, that's amazing speed, that's fantastic. And that's one of the things I like about 10web, is because it's just like a one-stop solution for everything you need, from your hosting to domain to cloning website to designing to optimization, SEO, their plugin to editing your website with Elementor based page builder. Fantastic stuff there. Fantastic. A lot of stuff here, and I think without further ado, let's get started already. In your case here, if you don't have a 10web hosting account, you need to create one. Just come here, create a free account, get started here, and then just provide your email and your password. I have an account here. Let's go to my dashboard. So whether or not you are creating a new account or you are logging into an existing account, you should come to this interface like this. So like I will always tell you, you have 3 options here. When you're using 10web, you can create a new website with AI. You can migrate your existing website. And I think that will be my next tutorial for 10web. I want to show you how super simple and easy it is for you to migrate to 10web hosting. Fantastic. And you can create a blank website, a blank WordPress. You can have full control, design whatever you want to do. Let's just come here to create a website with AI. So here we just need to pick a site title. I might just call this tabs. And then let's choose a location. This is a server location. You want to choose a server that is closest to you. So if you come here, you see a list of server locations that you can easily pick. I'll leave this as is for the purpose of this tutorial. So here you can choose a custom subdomain. If you have just invested in 10 web, you should have access for you to get a free domain for 1 year. So if you come here, you can create a custom domain name. If you have one already, you can select this. Maybe we should experiment with this. Let's see how this work. Here you can see that you can find and claim your perfect domain name, and it's up to $30 free for you to use. So here I can just type in a name. Let me just say dabsbrook.com, and then I can search. So you can see this name is available for me to use. I can choose to get it. I can get it free for the first year, as you can see here, and it's just perfect. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to leave this as is, and then let's come back here and let's just continue this process. I would just want to use a random subdomain for this tutorial. I just want to say dabs tutorial .10web.site, and I think that's perfect for this right now. I want to choose an admin username and password. So what we want to do now is to create a WordPress installation. So you can see that a blank WordPress website is being installed on our 10web hosting, and we're going to give this some few seconds to finish up. So these here up until now are still the basic setup that we have always had with 10web. I'm super excited. I am still hoping to see the new things that has been added to their 2.0. So let's give this time and let's allow this finish up. All right, congratulations, your super website is installed on 10web automatic WP hosting, and I think that's super exciting. Let's start. So we now have a dashboard here for our WordPress website. So we can see here, this is a live environment. And let me just walk you through briefly the 10web dashboard in case you're new to 10web. So you can see that our site is locked here. So we can edit that to unlock our website in case we want to transfer it out. And then when we come down here, you can see that we have a live environment. We also can switch to a staging environment if you're just trying to play around. Okay, so you can see here our website here, according to 10web, is loading at 0.3 seconds on desktop and on mobile 1.7 seconds according to page speed score. So you can verify that if that's true, but that's quite fantastic, really. So this is our domain URL here. So if we click this here, we should be able to see what our website look like on the front end. There you have it. You can see 10web. You can see this is exactly everything we have here. So let's come back here. So from here, we have a main page here. We have the AI builder, which is where we are right now. Navigation, e-commerce, website booster, domain name I showed you earlier. You can get that for free. These are hosting details here. If we come down here, we'll be able to see all the details about hosting. We can see our data center, our IP address, database access, SSH connection, and then our SFTP. And I think I might need to upgrade my package for me to be able to access this. So you can tell all the details here, the plugins, the WordPress theme, and also taking backups of our website. And I think that's fantastic. Let's come back to the AI builder, which is exactly what we want to check out in this tutorial. I want us to really see what exactly they've got in their 2.0 and what this is able to do. So what we want to do here is to generate with AI, and here we can select what kind of website we want, an informational website, or you want to create an online store. So let's just play with an informational website right now, and let's hit the next button. And now I'm beginning to see something entirely new. Okay. So now I need to select my site type, site information, my pages, color font. Oh, I think I like this. All right, so select the type of your business. So this is where I need to select this. So I can just choose, let's just say digital marketing agency. Let's come to next. So this is where I get to put a startup information. Let me just copy this if I can. Let's paste that here. Okay, so he was able to copy everything. So I just need to take this out. Media Go. Okay, so maybe that should be the name of my company. Let's copy that and let's paste that here. Okay, I think this is where this stops. Let's take that. MediaGo is a startup that provides a mobile app for instant access to news and entertainment. This app is designed to be easy to navigate and streamlined for quick use. And I think this is good. So now we can also come up here to enhance this with AI. Let the AI establish this to give us more details about our business. Okay, so we now have something longer here, and I think this is fine. Do you own a custom domain for your website? Let me just state no for this purpose. Enter a desired name. I will leave this as bare, and then I'll just come to the next here. All right, so this is where we get to see a sitemap for our website. So we get to see all the pages. This is our home page. We have a services page, a portfolio page, about us page, and a blog. And I think this is awesome. Fantastic. And I think let's start with our home page here. So you can see here we have this cursor here for us to be able to add more stuff. And I want to believe this should be like a drag and drop. So something like this. Okay, fantastic. You can see that. So after our header, we have an hero section about us, then our services, our portfolio, testimonial, blog, frequently asked questions, and then footer. And I think this is fantastic. So let's say we want to add something new. What options do we have? Okay, we have a place for custom section, hero logo, call to action, about us, gallery, okay, features, pricing, benefit, title, sections, testimonial, solutions, contact review, team selection. Okay, you might want to add your team. So if I click this right now, this is generating that right now. And I think this is super, super amazing. So you can see the title should be, I can just say team. Okay, so this is the prompt for a team. I might enhance this with AI. Let's see what that would do. I'm not sure there's any thing that's been added here. Okay, this is good. Let's just leave this as is, but I think I just like this. The same thing for our pages too as well. So I just want to click this to drag this here. Okay, or we can just even zoom this out. Okay, this is good. I can drag this so that I can see more. All right, services, header, hero section, client testimonial, footer. I don't have the option to add more here, so I think for services, I have just option to add more really. Let's come to our portfolio here. I can add more stuff here. So if I come up here, okay, I can rename this and I can delete this. And I think this is amazing here. Our portfolio page. Let's say we want to add another page. What should that page be? Let's just say membership. Let's add this page. Okay, so we now have a membership page here. This AI is just generating stuff for membership. Let's see what's able to come up with. Okay, so we now have a sitemap also for membership. I love this. This gives you control over what the AI is creating for you. So you set the template for the AI to create the website for you. Okay, so you see it has stuff here for membership plan, special offer, and then the footer. For our blog page here, we don't have options to add stuff to this. I think everything here has been exhausted, but we can drag things up and down. I want to believe so. So like this. Okay. But here, for membership too as well, I don't have options to add stuff here too. Okay. Maybe that's fair enough, but I really don't know why I don't have the option to add stuff. Maybe if I delete stuff, maybe I'll be able to add stuff. Let me just check for a special offer here. Let me see if I remove this section. Do I have the option? Okay, now you see I have the option to add stuff here. Okay. So I can call this anything I want to call it. I really don't know. Maybe review section. Maybe. So it's generating that. And I think this is amazing. Amazing stuff. So let's leave this as is. So I can add more stuff here. But I really don't know why there are some limitations onto what I can add to my pages. But I think that's what I can see here for now. So right now for our about us page here, you can see that I can still choose to add stuff here if I want to. Let's just say display logo of key customers. That should be more like partners instead of logo. Okay, I think I can edit that. All right. That's it. I think this is super, super amazing. I'm super impressed with what this is able to do. All right. So I want to believe that I also have control over dragging the pages. Okay. So you can see. All right. This is fantastic. This is well done. And I think the next thing, let's just move to the next thing and let's see what we have. Let's come to the next here. Okay, so here I'm able to select styles for my website. I can choose my colors, my preset colors. So if I choose this is exactly what it will look like on my live website. I think this is good, beautiful. Let's choose this color. Okay, fantastic. This is beautiful. I like this. Let me just go with the first one here. I think I like this color here. For my front here, I can also play with the fronts I want. But I think I'll just leave it with what it is. I like this. And then I can choose style. I have material here. I can come to classic. Okay. I'm not seeing much of difference between the two from just the background here. So you can see that. Let's come to brutalism. Okay. This is good. Let's come to minimalistic and let's see what we have. All right. And this one is flat. This one look like the conventional stuff. Okay, this is beautiful. Let's come to material. Let's see what we've got. I think I like this. Let's leave this as is and let's just generate a website. Right now, this AI is designing our pages, is preparing the layout and everything. We'll give this some few seconds to finish up and then we'll continue the tutorial from there. Okay, congratulations. Website is ready and what we have here is for us to preview and edit this. That will be loading up Elementor. But let's just come back here for us to be able to see all the pages of the website we have. Since we have our website opened here already, let's just come here and let's refresh this and let's see what we have. Cool stuff here. So we can see what we have. This is fantastic. This is mesmerizing. Media Go. We have our logo already designed for us. You can see all our pages here. Get started button and contact us. Stay informed. I can see what the images at the background here. The AI is trying to come up with something realistic. Maybe I'm just the only one who just don't get satisfied with AI images. I don't know why. I still prefer to use stock images, real life images than AI images. It's on extremely few occasions I've seen AI images that look so realistic that it's difficult to tell that this is not real images. Personally, maybe it's just me. So you can see the same thing here is happening. You can see this image. This just look like AI. It looks like a tone. This is not looking realistic enough. And I think that's just my personal challenge with AI images. I just love the fact that Copilot is able to come up with amazing demo content here. Discover Media Go founded in 2023, and you can see stuff here. 100,000 user, 50 partners, 10 award, 5 years. So you can see, okay, for our digital marketing services, we offer a wide range of digital marketing services to help. Wow, fantastic. Search engine optimization, social media, pay-per-click advertising. These images too, just AI images. Doesn't work for me personally. Or our work portfolio here is blank. I think this is still coming up here. AI images here too as well, so you can see. I don't know why all of these ones are not popping yet. That's just, I don't know why. Testimonials here, what our clients are saying, and I think this is beautiful. This is fantastic. If these are AI images, then this is beautiful. But these look very much realistic, like real images to me than AI. I just love to have something real like this on my website. Personally, that's me. Latest insight. So this should be our blog. Why is this one not, the picture images is not popping up? I don't know why that is. But this is fantastic. In just a few seconds, it's able to come up with even blog content for us. Let's open this up in a new tab. Let's see what that looks like. So let's come down here to theme. You can see here, playing with AI images here too as well. It's still not doing it for me personally. I love the emotions I'm seeing on the faces here, really. It's beautiful. But it's just not giving me that realistic look that I'm looking out for. And I think that's just what I have here. Meet our team. Join our team. Why do I have that twice? Maybe that's an error here. I really don't know. Maybe that's for me or I don't know. FAQ, what services? You can see here we have this here. I'm impressed, sincerely. I'm impressed with what this is able to do within few seconds. Let's see what the blog page look like. Amazing stuff. From the header here, I just love it. I love how simplified it look like. And then we have an image here. Another AI image here that's generated for us. And I think this is not bad. Then we can share posts, subscribe to our newsletter, related post. Oh man, this is a good job. Trust me. Just with a prompt, I have this. This is amazing. Trust me. I also have my terms and services page here and privacy policy. Wow, this is impressive. This is okay. For our membership page here, we can see what we have here. AI images here too as well. Okay, explore our membership option. You can see we will have a plan here. Oh no, 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 no! I'm impressed. This is good. This is beautiful. So with a tool like this, it means anyone can start the business of web design. Anybody can start a web design agency. AI can just do this heavy lifting for you, and then you can just go to the back end and optimize things for yourself and just customize things to suit your clients' demand or needs. And I think this is super, super cool. I love this. I'm excited about new stuff, awesome stuff like this. Let's see what it is like on the back end with Elementor. Coming here, this took too long to open. I had to enable safe mode for me to be able to open this up. Maybe there's a conflict of plugin somewhere. I really don't know why that's coming from. But again, we have Elementor loaded here. One of the things that I experienced when I was testing out the cloning process is that now they are able to tag things directly. So these here are not just divs wrapping code. You can see clicking this here, I can now work with a text editor here, and it makes it super, super amazing. So you can see here, this is a text editor. I can easily just change text here directly. So if I click this right now, this would most likely be a button. And you can see here, this is a button, and I can change the link to my button here. And I think this is super amazing. This has made customizing this a lot easier. So I can edit my images. This is fantastic. So you can see text here. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see all the animations. You can see this stuff here. So I can come here, I can click this here, so you can see this is an image. I can also customize the title here and the text here. Fantastic stuff here. So this is super easy for us to customize. So this is a text editor here. This one here should be like a toggle. So you can see that here. This is fantastic. And I think I'm super, super impressed. Another thing to note here is that you can see that we cannot customize our header or our footer here on this page. This tool now is now able to separate header and footer totally, and I think this is amazing. This feature is what you have in Elementor Pro, and I think this is beautiful. So if I want to customize my header and footer, I will definitely have to go completely to the team builder to go to the header and footer for me to be able to make edits to that. And I think that's a fantastic feature. That's a fantastic one here. So you can also come to see the responsiveness, and I think this is not bad. I can make changes to this. I'm not sure on a tab. I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I might want to limit this to 3. And then I just, the next one to 3. And then I have like another column entirely. So let's check what the mobile version look like. Okay, 1 is fantastic here on mobile. So this is beautiful. And I think this is super, super amazing, cool stuff here. So that's it for what you can do here with 10web.io. You can give it a trial. You can click the link in the video description. It will give you access to test this for 7 days. And you also get a 10% coupon code from me in case you want to upgrade anytime. It's a fantastic tool. I'm sure that you will be happy you invested in this tool. And that's my experience using 10web.io. Yeah, 2.0 is fantastic. Give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. And that's my time for this tutorial. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, as usual, let me know in the comment section. I will look out for them. I would see you in another tutorial, and until then, stay safe.